Yo quiero par de millones. Chillin', chillin', chillin'.
Yo, que lo que mi gente, ya tú sabes que Keisy con otro video, my nigga. If you guys watched the last video, that video was hella lit. Winterfest, shout out to Winterfest. And today's a good day. I got out of work early because I have an appointment in a little bit I gotta go to. But I'm gonna take advantage of that and start working on Genesis. So before we get started on the car, I'm gonna head down to my appointment, and then after that we'll come back. So let me go there, let me get, you know, all my things done, and then I'll be back. Nos vemos un ratico, okay? I'm back. What's good? Came back from the doctor's appointment. Your boy fried himself a couple pizza rolls, you know what I'm saying? A couple tater tots. I didn't do too much because this thing started splashing everywhere. But hey, if you don't fry your pizza rolls, bro, you ain't doing it right. If you're not frying these boys, man, you ain't doing it. Look. I was trying to do something on the computer, but computer's not cooperating with me right now. So let's just show you guys what I want to do. Got it. Alright, let's go to the back. And we're in the back. What's up? Alright, so my sister had this strut bar you guys see here. Why does it look all blue? Hold on, give me a second. That's better. Alright, so my sister gave me this. Well, I took it from her. Nobody tell her. So I took this strut bar. I want to like clean it up, make it nice and everything. But I was thinking, do I really want to keep it like, you know, this silver boring color? Or my father had something laying around and I've been looking at it for a while, you making excuses on what I could use it for. So this might be an excuse to do it. So my father had this gold metallic finish paint laying around, and I don't know, I feel like it might be a little like, I don't know, not flashy, but very like hot boy or whatever. Even though it's not gonna look, you know, very hot boy, but I feel like it's gonna look weird, but at the same time it's not, because my whole engine bay is black and my favorite color combination, or one of them, is black and gold. So I feel like that would look very, very, very dope in the Eclipse, and it would start to make the engine bay look nice. And I know a lot of you guys been saying that you guys would rather see the engine bay getting more cleaned up, and that's what I want to start doing. Estoy haciendo un video, ¿qué lo que? Estoy haciendo un video, cónchale. Look at her, she's mad. Huh? Anyway, yeah, so I think this will clean it up. We'll clean this up, we'll sand it and everything. We'll clean this up. It's kind of looking a little dirty. Hold on. Kind of looking a little. It needs a little bit of work. So we're gonna try to do that. We'll sand around here too, so it doesn't look so nasty and disgusting like that. Yeah. Let's do that, and I'll get back to you guys once I get started on sanding this and everything. All right. So I've been sanding this with 1000 grit. I mean, it's pretty much done. I focused more on the top area. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I focused more on the top area because this is what's going to be seen the most. So I've just been going away and just trying to get any little imperfection out of the way so that when I paint it, it looks perfect. Is there alcohol or water and some soap? I'm gonna get a rag. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so this is the closest thing to alcohol I have. So this is what I'm gonna use. Pour some a little bit on there. I'll rub this in. Clean it up. I'm about to get high off of this. About to get high off of this alcohol shit. Hopefully it'll stay up like that and it won't flip over like it did before. Oh my god, that looks so nice. Look at this. Yo. That looks hella dope. Oh my god, it won't focus. Come on. Look at that. That looks hella clean. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. Alright, I'm gonna throw on a couple more coats of it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. And I'll probably throw a couple clears. Actually, I might leave the clears for tomorrow because it's already getting dark. So, and it's cold as heck out here. I can barely feel my fingers, but I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh, the car's gonna start looking good. Engine bay's gonna look nice, I promise you. All right. Check your hair.
Huh?
Check your hair now. You probably got gold all over it.
It's good. I need some gold strips.
Anyways.
Y que eso fuera único en el mundo, porque tenerlo cerca era mi mundo.
Shut up, I'm trying to vlog.
Hey, no, then go to your room and vlog. This is the kitchen. Let me be loud. What the hell? Not a big plate.
Look at it, look at it. No. Don't come up in here making noise, bro. That ass. I'm making a video.
I don't give a damn.
This.
Where's my adapter?
Look how nice that looks. All it's missing is a little bit of clear and we'll be good to go. You guys like it? Because I do. Your adapter, ask your mother.
It was on here last night.